Dilaw yung lagi kong pinakikinggan nung nag-review ako for board examination. Si Maki rin yung naging inspiration ko.
I love you so much, Maki. Thank you for inspiring me and lahat ng sushi. Sana i-continue mo lang yung dream mo. We're always here to support you.
Yeah, I think Pink is the next song. And maybe it's not a song, maybe it's a concept, maybe it's a character, maybe, you know, pwedeng mangyari.
Bakit Pink yung last? Or last na ba siya for Color Coaster? Can you
Maybe
share?
It's a start of something. Or maybe it has been there the whole time. Hindi lang natin napansin.